Okay, so I have just got my hair done at the hairdressers and I've got it macaw style. I'm going to actually show George. I've just gotten home, he hasn't seen it yet. Hey buddy. Hey, you gonna come out? We coming out? Because listen, I'm going to show you something. I'm going to have to take it out to show you properly. But come here, buddy. Hey, I've got my hair done. Yes. I got my hair done there. Oh. What? What'd you say? Well, I don't think he's actually noticed. But yes, it's my face. Okay, he's noticed now. He's noticing. I'm like, what? Okay, so he's just seeing the colour. Woo! He's just seeing the colour right now. So we've got crazy colour. What? What? What's wrong? What are you doing? Oh, where are you going? Where do you think you're going? What are you doing? What are you doing, George? Oh.